Hi, it's great to see you. We are doing a workout for your arms and your abs today. So we are going to start on all fours, on your hands and knees. So I want you to have your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips, and really spread your fingertips wide here. So I really want open palms. And then let's just find a cat stretch. So you're going to exhale to tuck your tail, tuck your head. And then inhale to lift your head, lift your tail. And exhale to round. So this is a really nice place to start for lots of different workouts. And you know that if you work out with me, I like to start here. But for our arms and abs, it's especially helpful to start to notice what you're doing with your hands and your shoulders in this position. So one thing I want to go over is wrist pain. Many people, when you get onto your hands like this, talk about wrist pain. And I do have a workout for wrist pain in Unlimited, so it's something that we talk specifically about. But for our purposes here, what you really can think about is trying not to lock your elbows. So many times wrist pain actually comes from a weakness in the shoulders and the arms. And what happens is we lock our elbows and we sink in the shoulders, and then the wrists take all of the pressure. So the stronger you get in your upper body, your wrists will actually start to feel better. So that being said, I of course want you to modify or take a break if you need to during this workout, and I'll try to give you modifications. All right, so we're going to go halfway in between those two. And what I want you to do is bring the right arm out in front of you. And we're just going to hold it here. Again, think about trying not to lock the left elbow. Now, I want you to reach the right hand up towards the ceiling, and I want you to look at it. Good. And then now, keep your eyes on your hand as you bring it forward again. And then reach it back up. And then bring it forward. Stay here in little pulses with your arm, lifting it up. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, place the hand back down. Nice job. So let's find your cat stretch. Let's find that extension. And halfway in between those two. And then we're going to reach those left fingertips really nice and long. And again, watching that right elbow. When you're ready, eyes on your hand, take it up, 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 up. Really letting your spine twist. And then bring it forward again. Back up, open, and then forward, and then pulses here, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it back down. Nice job. One more thing here before we give your wrists a break. We are actually going to get into push-ups, but we're going to do them on all fours. So step your hands a little bit wider. Again, fingertips nice and wide. Bend your elbows out to the side and then press back up. So what I'm doing is purposely staying in this all fours position. We're not in a plank yet. We're all going to warm up here. Elbows out to the side, and think about dropping your chest down towards your thumbs. And let's do 3 more. And 2. Last one. Nice job. Knees come apart. Shift back and find your child's pose stretch. Really, again, reaching the fingertips long and then letting your head rest. And then we're going to restack your spine and swing your legs around in front of you. Okay, so we're going to start with the legs mat distance apart. Again, sitting up nice and tall. And what I want you to do is bring your hands behind your head. And we're going to inhale and rotate to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. So if you are somewhat new to working out with me, you might be thinking, where are the crunches, Jessica? Where's the ab work? I'm ready. I'm ready for that 6-pack. Okay, I promise you it's coming. But in my opinion, to get the most effective work for your core and your abs, we have got to get your spine moving as well. And Joseph Pilates knew that. That's why this is one of the exercises in his original mat routine. I love this because we're actually working your obliques without having to get into a crunch yet. And as promised in the title of this video, you're getting arm work too, which is what we're going for as well with this. So I promise you, your ab work is coming. Nice. All right, we're going to bring arms in front and zip your legs together. Okay, so you're going to be nice and tall. I'm just scooting to the front of my mat. You might want to do the same. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale. Now exhale, curl your tailbone, and you're going to roll back. I just want you to roll back about halfway. Okay, inhale, pause. Exhale, roll back up over your legs, and then you restack your spine. Okay, and then roll back. So we're doing roll downs here. About halfway, pause. Exhale, come back up. We're doing a modified version, and we're going to get into the full version here in just a moment. Okay, roll down halfway. Stay here. Inhale your arms up. Exhale your arms down. So keep pulling that belly button in towards your spine. Keep tucking the tail underneath you. And if this is too much, then you just come up a little bit higher and do it right here. Okay, you get to decide where that point is for yourself. Good. Pause. Come back up. Over. Restack. All right, on this one, we're going to roll all the way down. So inhale. Exhale, curl. Roll down. Arms come back behind you. Inhale again. And then exhale, arms come up, tuck your chin. You're going to roll all the way back up. So this is our full version. Over, restack, curl, and roll back down. So if you find rolling back up is just not happening for you, that's okay. You have a couple options. You can just roll to the side and sit up and work on the rolling down. All right, that's a really great way to start. You can also go get a towel roll. Go get a towel, roll it up like a hand towel, okay? Roll it up lengthwise and put it on the mat across your low back. So when you roll down, you're rolling onto it, and that can help a lot too. And these are things I talk about in Unlimited. We talk a lot about modifications and helping you achieve the workout because I truly believe it should be individual as much as possible so that you can feel what you want to feel as you're working out without feeling like you have to strain for it. Okay, roll down halfway. Stay here. Inhale, right arm to the right. Turn and look at it. Exhale, center. Inhale, left arm. Exhale, center. Eyes stay on your hand as you rotate. You got it. You're doing great. And now you start to find where the ab work is coming in, right? Last one on the left. Center. Inhale, pause. Exhale all the way down, slow, slow, slow. Arms come back. And then we're going to bring arms to your sides and bend your knees. All right. So what I want you to do is take an inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin. Roll yourself up so your shoulder blades come off the mat. You are going to hug your right knee in and straighten and reach the left leg out. So I'm giving a good squeeze on the right, and I'm reaching the left leg out. When you're ready, you're going to switch legs and switch. This is called single leg stretch in the Pilates world. So what I want you really to think about is stretching and reaching the leg out and out. Nice job. If you need to modify, you can come down and rest and do it right here. And then come back up and join us when you're ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug both knees in. Roll back down. Nice job. All right, we're going to keep the right leg in again. Roll up. Stretch the left leg out. So now we're doing crisscross. You're going to bring the hands behind your head. Familiar? Yes? Rotate to your right. Then everything comes to center. And then rotate to the left as you reach your right leg out. And center. So you might know these as bicycle crunches. But what I want you to think about is not going as fast as you can. Okay? And I also don't want you to think about necessarily trying to touch your elbow to your knee. That part doesn't matter. I want you to think more about trying to get that shoulder off when you rotate, because that's where the twisting really happens. Not so much from the elbow, but from that shoulder in your spine. One more each side. And center and roll down. Nice job. Hug your knees in.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.